Welcome back, everyone, to our new series of the DIY with Dee. Today's series, we're going to be making the snow globes. I have a new person that's joining us. This is Shelly.
Hi, I'm Shelly Johnson. I'm with Bankers Life in Humana. I'm very happy to be here with you today, Dee, and to see all you viewers out there as well.
Okay, so today is going to be real simple ingredients for you. All you need is a mason jar, optional with the spray paint, some wood, E6000 glue, and some ornaments.
You can also have some trim or some glitter, and if you have some laying around, maybe some vegetable glycerin.
Okay, so what I've done today, pre-did this, I went and got me a little ornament and spray painted the piece of wood right here, glued it all together to the lid. And you place it back into like this. You fill your water container up with distilled water, and you can add in sprinkles like this.
So it's optional to have the vegetable glycerin. If you use it, it'll cause the sprinkles to hang a little bit more, but if not, distilled water is just fine.
Okay, so then we just are going to place it in here like this.
Make sure you seal it tightly.
And there you go.
So we used a lot of the items we have just laying around at home. We did find a really cute ornament out there, but I had these sitting around in my Christmas village. We also had just a tiny little pine cone that I had sitting around. Same thing, you can add water to this, and in this one I have little glitter, so I add a little bit of glitter, and so you can see on this one we used the bottom instead of having it upside down. This one is right side up, and I pre-decorated it as well. We'd love to see all of your fun creations. You can drop a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you're going to make your ornament with, or show us a picture. We have a Ohio State hand-crocheted scarf that we're going to give to one of the winners in the comment section. So drop below. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you for joining us today for our new DIY episode on our snow globes.
For more information and other inspirational pins, you can visit Pinterest to see other ideas.